Hey y'all, Instinct Survival's coming again with another Two Tip Tuesday. This time we'll be talking about tool maintenance and drip lines. So let's talk about tool maintenance for just a moment. Tool maintenance is that time of day you're sitting around the fire, you've got nothing to do except sit there and drink and, well, shoot the crap, right? I'm on a solo, so there's nobody around to talk to, which is okay. So around the fire, I would sharpen my axe, sharpen my knives, clean anything that needs cleaning, inspect cordage, inspect straps, inspect gear, things of that nature, or make two-ply cordage as an example. One of the things I needed to do around the fire this time was actually add a lanyard. Well, last night it was pouring down rain and I didn't need a fire, so I decided not to do that. But real simple, adding a lanyard, bright orange to my new SAK. I'm just going to tie it over and go to town on it. So nothing major, nothing fancy, but it was something that needed to be done. Still a little cold this morning. Fingers are still cold. They're not working real well. The other thing is drip lines. Now I'm going to reposition the camera to show you exactly what I'm talking about. But what these are for is off of your tarp or off of your gear, so to speak. Meaning that in my case, I've got a hammock and a tarp. You have a drip line. Water's going to follow least resistance, and so by utilizing a drip line, what it does is ensures that the water goes and follows that as opposed to down the ridge line as an example, and then getting and dripping on you in the middle of the night because eventually your ridge line's doing that. So that's one way to look at it, or how to look at it. On my hammock as an example, you can go down, get on the cords, and then soak my hammock. So the good news with my straps, I don't really have to use them. I put them on there just as a safety net, if you will. But one of the things that we did on the tarp this time is actually added drip lines to it. Now it could be that it's incorporated in your knot. I'll show you one of those, but then I also added one on the other side. So I'll reposition the camera and then we'll go to do that. All right, so you can see in this case my ridge line actually has a knot in it, and then the line comes down. That serves as my drip line. I added an additional one here just in case. And again, I told you about the hammock one. Actually comes in with the straps. They come to here. They're not going to go, they're not going to go onto the carabiner and then down. It's going to follow the cordage in this case, or the strap in this case, because it is soaking and absorbing that specific the water specifically. Now I did add another one. This is one I use for something else on my hammock, and all I did was just move the location of it. So let's look at the other one that I added. Going through my camp here. Same thing here, I just moved this one up. But I added this one here, right? And all I did, I think it's called a lark's head. All I did was just loop it over and then just drop it. All I'm trying to do is create something for the water to hit and go, oh, hey, this is gonna be easier. And go this way as opposed to this way. Now, Bill, what about the space here and here? Yeah, so the amount of raindrops that hit there is minimal. So I don't really have to worry about it. It's really focusing on this part here. And this cordage is definitively wet. So there you go. All right, folks. So there you go, folks. That's it. Drip lines and tool maintenance, or tool maintenance and drip lines. Hey guys, thanks for everything you do. Thanks for your likes, your subscribes, comments. Y'all are really pushing up the channel. I really appreciate it. We're going to continue to do some alternate things, not just Two Tip Tuesday, but we'll continue with Two Tip Tuesday as well. So thank you for everything that you do. Until then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks for watching.